Uh, we'll let some people join, then we'll start the question answer session. Okay, so this live session has been, we have not done live session for like I think 2-3 weeks now. I was pretty busy with my personal work, so I did not do the live session. Let's start with it, and we'll take questions, and if possible we will also do the live discussions with people. Okay, we have a request, I'll accept that. Okay. Hello Arjun. Shubh, you have to accept the request. I have allowed your request. Okay, I don't think he's going to join. So we'll continue without that. Okay, Sonia has sent us request. I'll accept her request and see. Hello Arjun, कैसा भाई? Okay, she declined. So we'll take the questions now. We have asked a question answer session, and anyone who wants to send, they can send the question here. I'll try to answer all I can. So let's see. What is the current status of AK203 video getting stuck? Anyone else is facing the problem? I think my video is working fine. My video personally is working fine, so I think anyone else can confirm. So the current status of AK203 production in India deal. Okay, so there was a current meeting with DAC, right? In that meeting, they signed an order for the 106 STT 40 turbo trainers. So उनकी जो deal sign हुई है, there was also a part that they will fast track the discussions of AK203. So uska prediction I think will happen. We are waiting for the contract. नवंबर दिसंबर में आई थिंक दे विल साइन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. अभी डिस्कशन तो यही चल रहा है कि बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर दे विल हैव द साइंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. Arjun, you were sending a request, you can send again. Okay. What was idea of swing wing aircraft was abandoned and India retired its MiG-23 and 27B and 21. Okay, the swing wing or the variable geometry aircraft का एक advantage होता है. The advantage is that the shape of the wing is changed with the flight. मतलब they are able to change the shape of the wing. The wing can swing backwards and come near the central fuselage. So उसके कुछ flight characteristics improvement होते हैं fast speed में. तो उसका एक certain advantage होता है. But that is a different thing. Why we retired 23 and 27? See, 23 and 27 were inducted as a different kind of aircraft, but after a certain time, we found out that it is not possible for them to do the service of that kind. उसके कुछ अपने issues भी थे, तो उसकी वजह से they were discontinued. उनकी service ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं हुई. मतलब 21 के comparison में 23 and 27 were quite new, but these were ground attack aircraft, so they were just changed. अभी हाल ही में 27 लास्ट रिटायर हुआ है. What is a gas block in a rifle? Okay, see, rifle can have multiple type of gas settings. It can be for subsonic ammunition, it can be for suppressed setting, it can be for issues or poor ammunition. इसका advantage क्या होता है? When you're using a see, हर जो cycling होती है, मतलब to eject the old ammo and to cycle a new round into the chamber, you need a gas pressure. अब अगर आप अटैचमेंट यूज करते हो, जैसे आपने एक मजल यूज किया अटैचमेंट, या आपने सप्रेसर यूज किया, या आपकी एमओ उतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी की नहीं है, सो आपका जो प्रेशर होता है वो उतना सफिशिएंट नहीं होगा, एंड इट विल अफेक्ट द परफॉर्मेंस एंड साइकिलिंग ऑफ द गन. सो उतने अच्छे से राउंड्स नहीं चलेगा और वो माल फंक्शन करेगी. सो गैस ब्लॉक के हेल्प से आप उसकी सेटिंग को एडजस्ट कर सकते हो, और आप ये देख सकते हो कि आप कितनी गैस अलाउ करते हो सिस्टम में. उसकी वजह से आपकी परफॉर्मेंस और आपकी फंक्शनैलिटी ज़्यादा इंप्रूव होती है. मल्टीपल गैस सेटिंग्स हो सकती है, किसी में नहीं भी होती है, सो दैट डिपेंड्स. Thoughts on Gunjan Saxena movie? I personally am not a fan of Bollywood. You know, these guys do not make any logical movies. कुछ भी बना देते हैं, and they try to गेट व्यूज ऑफ डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट्स या डिफेंस पीपल। अभी इन्होंने पहले जो देखो मार्स मॉम बनाई थी, मिशन मंगल बनाई थी, उसमें सब घटिया बातें थी, मतलब कोई भी एक्चुअल फैक्ट नहीं था। अपने मन से कुछ भी बना देना, कुछ ऐड करना, कुछ निकालना। गुंजन सक्सेना में दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रमोट अलग काइंड ऑफ फेमिनिज्म, पेट्रियार्की, पता नहीं क्या क्या चलता रहता है इनका। सो आई डिड नॉट लाइक द मूवी, आई डिड नॉट इवन गो टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ सीइंग द ट्रेलर। मुझे जिसने पर्सनली किसी और ने बताया कि उन्होंने क्या क्या दिखाया है ट्रेलर में, एंड वो सुनने के बाद ही मेरा मन खत्म हो गया था मूवी देखने का। आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ आर्मी मूवीज मेड बाय बॉलीवुड or historical movies made by Bollywood, because I feel ki if you're not sticking to the originality of the content, and if you're not sticking to the real story, then you're changing the history, or when you're changing the history, you're putting a wrong impression in the minds of young children. अभी अगर they are showing कि because she was a female she was not allowed to do this, उस पे लोग डाउट करते थे, ऐसा नहीं होता है। So that is a different thing. I do not like the movie. शेरशाह बायोग्राफी ऑन FM, यार मैंने भी इनका देखा नहीं है। मैंने अभी देखा नहीं है, सच्चाई बताऊं तो आई डू नॉट सी बॉलीवुड मूवीज या फिर सीरीज। अब मैं ज़्यादा देखता नहीं हूँ, मुझे पसंद नहीं आता टाइम वेस्ट करना इन चीज़ों पे। प्लस इफ आई गो टू सी विद समवन, आई कीप पॉइंटिंग आउट द मिस्टेक्स कि ये भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है, ये भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है। सो दूसरे का एक्सपीरियंस ही मैं खत्म कर देता हूँ। इसलिए आई आई डू नॉट गो टू सी द मूवीज मच। India can do so much in R&D, but depends on foreign collaborations. How will it stand on its own feet? Okay, so the idea is कि आप जब कोई चीज़ में R&D करते हो तो आपके पास एक विजन होना चाहिए कि फ्यूचर में आपकी क्या डिमांड है और क्या आपको सिस्टम चाहिए। हमारी जो अप्रोच हिस्टोरिकली, द अप्रोच इंडिया हैज डन इज वी चेस बिहाइंड प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर ऑलरेडी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड समवेयर एल्स। मतलब जैसे अभी हम लेजर गाइडेड बॉम्ब बनाएंगे, तो लेजर गाइडेड बॉम्ब यूएस यूज कर रहा है 70s 80s 90s से, मतलब उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट कर दिया था जो भी किया, तो दे हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम। तो उनके लिए इट इज नॉट अ न्यू थिंग। फॉर इंडिया वी आर चेजिंग इट। अब होता यह है कि वी वांट द बेस्ट। अब जिन्होंने 40 साल में रिसर्च की है, हम उसे फर्स्ट टाइम में तो नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि हमारे पास इतना फंडिंग नहीं होती, हमारे पास इतनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स नहीं होती। तो एवरी 5 6 मंथ्स या फिर एवरी 2 3 ईयर्स रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज कर देते हैं, बिकॉज दे फील कि अब तो नया जो सिस्टम आया है उसमें ये भी है, हमने अगर ये बनाया है तो इसमें तो ये कमी है जो नए सिस्टम में होनी चाहिए। सो ऐसे करके अगर आप गोल पोस्ट चेंज करोगे विद द लिमिटेड लिमिटेड बजट, तो प्रोजेक्ट फेल हो जाएगा ऑब्वियसली। और कुछ सिस्टम्स होते हैं जो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं डेवलप करना, एंड बहुत कम देशों देशों के पास वो टेक्नोलॉजी होती है। लाइक आप जेट इंजन पे जाएं, जेट इंजन की टेक्नोलॉजी सिर्फ 5 देशों के पास है। चाइना ने 30 बिलियन से ऊपर खर्च कर दिया पैसा उस पर, एंड इट स्टिल डज नॉट हैव अ जेट इंजन, राइट। सो होता क्या है जब आप देखते हो, और हमने कितना स्पेंड किया है कावेरी पे, हमने 500 मिलियन खर्च किया, मतलब हमने $1 बिलियन भी खर्च नहीं किए हैं जेट इंजन पे। और वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू वर्क 100% वेल और सब कुछ डिलीवर करे, ऐसा नहीं होता। सो ये सिचुएशन है। अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ का डेवलपमेंट जल्दी करना है तो आप एक फॉरेन कोलैबोरेशन कर सकते हो, जिसमें कोई एक्सपर्ट कंपनी जिसने पहले भी इस चीज़ पे काम किया, दे कैन हेल्प यू, बट दे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी। सो आई फील दैट इट शुड बी डन, फॉरेन कोलैबोरेशन इज ओके, बट हर चीज़ में नहीं हो सकता। किसी चीज़ में जहाँ इंपॉर्टेंट है वहीं पे किया जाए। जैसे जेट इंजन में यू नीड इट फास्ट एंड यू नीड इट बेटर, सो आप उसमें जेवी कर सकते हो, दैट इज ओके। बट इफ यू आर मेकिंग सम स्टूपिड थिंग या कोई छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट जो आप बना सकते हो इजिली प्राइवेट कंपनीज के साथ, तो उस पर कोलैबोरेशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो दैट इज समथिंग आई डू नॉट लाइक। एग्जाम्पल्स अगर मैं दूं तो अभी देखो, we are working on a so-called light tank with collaboration with L&T, जो साउथ कोरियन कंपनी है, उसका K9 हल हमें देगा। उसके बाद हम उसमें अपनी एक टैरेट माउंट करेंगे, दैट इज ओके, क्योंकि प्राइवेट पार्टिसिपेशन है एंड साउथ। बट उसमें भी हमारे पास सब कुछ नहीं होगा, हम बहुत डिपेंडेंट होंगे साउथ कोरिया के हल पे। तो दैट इज समथिंग नॉट ओके। आप बीएमपी पे एक टैरेट माउंट कर सकते हो, दैट विल वर्क। आप टाटा वेब जो है उस पे कर सकते हो, दैट विल वर्क। सो दीज थिंग्स कैन बी थॉट आउट बेटर, आई फील। I'm fine, but it gives topic for Julian blocks. I got your. I don't want to name a certain institute, but its founder is openly opposing the current institutes and government. I'm fine with it, but it gives topic for GD and blocks, which I found anti-government. Isn't it indoctrinating? Okay, I got your hint, but I'll say that yes, the person's ideology might not be pro-government. He might have his affiliations. I'm okay with people having their own mindsets or affiliations. And what I'm not okay with is when people say ki I am neutral. See, I am personally telling you I'm not neutral. I like the present government much more than the past. The reasons are all logical. I have explained in past too, past भी सब तो लोगों को पता है कि I'm a bit right wing या फिर I'm a bit pro BJP. I openly accept it. उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है. You all should have your political views. बट इफ आई स्टार्ट सेइंग कि मैं तो न्यूट्रल हूँ तो दैट इज नॉट ओके एंड आई पर्सनली डू नॉट लाइक टू इम्प्रेशन माई व्यू पॉइंट्स ऑन यू विदाउट अ लॉजिक. If I find something good by BJP, I say it. If I hate something, which is pretty much Nirmala Sitharaman and her policies on as a defense minister, as a finance minister and all, so I openly say that too. तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं है. आपको अपना व्यू पॉइंट रखना चाहिए ऑन बोथ साइड्स. तो देखते हैं और कोई क्वेश्चंस था क्या. भाई LRD is manufactured a very good radar system, especially in the ADTCI radar, so it's export potential for them. Yes, LRD ने बनाए हैं काफी systems है. I'll tell you चंडीगढ़ स्पॉटर भाई कि इंडिया इज वेरी गुड विद radar systems. मतलब हमने बहुत काम किया है. हेलो विवेक, कैसे हो. तो इंडिया हैज वर्कड वेरी वेल विद द radar systems and all. So इंडिया के पास बहुत अच्छी कैपेबिलिटीज हैं. हमने इसराइल से बहुत ज़्यादा कॉपरेट भी किया, तो हमारे पास लॉन्ग रेडार्स भी हैं, बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल ट्रैकिंग रेडार्स भी हैं, सब कुछ है. ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज इट टेक्स टाइम्स इन वर्क. बहुत देशों ने रेडार्स डेवलप किए हैं. हमने अभी वेपन लोकेशन रेडार्स एक्सपोर्ट किए थे. दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड डील. इंडिया ने जो किया था वो शायद 40 to 50% चीपर था फॉरेन एग्जाम्पल से. सो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, बट इट टेक्स टाइम. मतलब फॉरेन ऑर्डर्स पाना इतना आसान नहीं होता. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फॉरेन ऑर्डर्स ना, तो उसमें सिर्फ आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता, उसके साथ साथ आपकी गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट भी होता है कि आपकी गवर्नमेंट कितना पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर बना सकती है दूसरी गवर्नमेंट पे कि हमारा सिस्टम खरीदो. बिकॉज यूएस का बहुत ज़्यादा इस चीज़ में कंट्रोल है. यूएस इज बीइंग अ ग्लोबल सुपर पावर, इकोनॉमिक एंड सब कुछ. तो they are able to pressurize the governments better. They are able to say things, they are able to do things. आप गवर्नमेंट पे प्रेशर डाल देते हो एंड वो आपका प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट इज वन मेथड यू डू द फॉरेन signing and all. These are very important things. Why not Swedish Saab Gripen? Okay, so why not Swedish Saab? It is a good jet, first of all. Not nothing against it, but the issue is Swedish Saab is not completely Swedish. उसका जो इंजन है दैट इज अमेरिकन. उसके जो सब सिस्टम्स हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा देशों से आए हुए हैं. सो उसका जो बेसिकली व्हाट यू कैन से इज उसके साप के पास सब चीज़ के आईपी राइट्स नहीं है. मतलब वो उन सब चीज़ों को खुद मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं करता है और वो उन सब टेक्नोलॉजीज को आपका ट्रांसफर नहीं कर सकता. MMRCA 2.0 का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है द इंजन. इंजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द डील. तो TOT होनी चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में, एंड साब हमें उतनी TOT दे नहीं पाएगा. Second issue with Saab is Tejas Mk2 is in work, or we expect it in next 5 to 8 years. मतलब 8-10 years में तो we will expect the induction. If you sign the MMRCA contract this year, then you will get the first jet in 3 to 4 years. मतलब it will take you. By that time, there will be a Tejas Mk2 prototype which is on ground. So it is not justified to buy that as a product. Second thing that. Third thing, when you buy a system जिसका जो vendor है, he himself is buying the system from someone else, then there's a risk कि after a certain time you might not get the space or you might not get the things you want if anything goes wrong. Fourth issue with that is that it is not cheap. People always claim that F-16 Saab is very cheap. It is not. Saab सी तक का चीप हो सकता है, बट द न्यू साब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव कंपेयर टू दैट, सो इट इज नॉट वैल्यू फॉर मनी either. Will CSE can again postpone exam? It's going to happen on scheduled dates. I have no idea about that. I personally feel that exam. I personally feel that exam should not happen without proper. What do you say? Without proper plannings and all. I am not very big fan of exams. Is there any company working on jet engines? Yes, two companies are working on jet engines. Godrej is one of them. Uh, Baba Kalyani has done some work regarding the single crystal blade technology and all, but I'm not sure what they are doing. There's one more company, I'm not remembering the name. They made a jet engine with the help of 3D printing. So they did the additional process and they manufactured a jet engine. They are not the big jet engines, they are the small turbine engines. Matlab, their thrust is very small, miniature engines. बट दिस इज द वे यू डेवलप द टेक्नोलॉजी. आप हल्के हल्के करके, मतलब पहले आप छोटा बनाते हो, उसके बाद आप उसको ग्रोथ करते हो, तो दैट इज हाउ दे वर्क. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग राइट नाउ. मतलब a lot of people are working on it. Why Indian government refused MiG-35? Indian government has not refused the MiG-35. The thing is, MiG-35 is a very new product. अभी तक कोई भी चीज हुआ नहीं है उसका. अभी even the Russians are testing it and they have just bought 6 of those fighters. उन्होंने पहले वादा किया था कि they will buy a lot of it, but अभी तक they have not signed a contract. So MiG-35 is not proven, or it is part of MMRCA 2.0. If they want to bring it, they can. But I'm not very hopeful about the entire MMRCA 2.0 and all. It does not make sense at this point. मतलब 2015-16 में MMRCA 2.0 made a lot of sense because हमारे पास तेजस MK1A नहीं था, MK2 नहीं था, TDBF नहीं था, हमारे पास AMCA का कोई सॉलिड प्लान नहीं था. सो 5-6 साल पहले इट मेड ऑल द सेंस इन द वर्ल्ड कि आप बाय करते हो इतनी बड़ी डील. टुडे it is not very smart decision to go for that amount. So I believe that we should buy Rafael के 2 more squadrons directly and then we should spend money on our own projects. हाल से कोई गुड न्यूज आई? हाल से 3 गुड न्यूज आ चुकी हैं. वैसे अगर पता नहीं हो लोगों को तो मैंने एक पोस्ट किया था. आई सेड दैट वी एक्सपेक्ट सम गुड न्यूज फ्रॉम हाल. फर्स्ट गुड न्यूज आपने पढ़ी होगी, तो जो STT-40 वाली गुड न्यूज थी जो सबको आ गई होगी, मैंने पोस्ट किया था कल भी. एक गुड न्यूज और है हाल से, बट वी आर वेटिंग दैट. द LCH प्रोटोटाइप वाली भी आपने सुन ली होगा, और वी एक्सपेक्ट फ्यू मोर गुड न्यूज फ्रॉम हाल, बट उसमें टाइम लगेगा. आई थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू टेक सम टाइम. व्हाट इज सो स्पेशल अबाउट रफाले? It is one of the most advanced 4.5 generation fighters on this planet. So that is special about it. उसका एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या है? आई कैन लिस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ एडवांटेजेस. उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सूट बहुत अच्छा है. बीइंग अ 4.5 जनरेशन फाइटर्स, इट हैज स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट सिस्टम्स. इट उसका मिसाइल इंटीग्रेशन बहुत अच्छा है. वेपन पैकेज बहुत अच्छा है. उसकी सर्विसिंग जो हमें प्रॉमिस की गई है वो बहुत अच्छी है. तो रफाल में बहुत कुछ स्पेशल है. टेक्निकली except few fighters in IAF, no one can match Rafale at the moment. I had read a few months ago that India is planning to export BrahMos missile HAL Tejas to Asian nations. Any progress on that? Okay, so India has been planning to export BrahMos to many countries for years now, but हमेशा export नहीं होते थे. Discussions होने के बाद in the final stages, exports किसी ना किसी वजह से खत्म हो जाते हैं. उसके अलग अलग reasons हैं. But अभी we are in discussion with a few nations, Vietnam and Philippines and all, तो बात चल रही है. Let's see when it happens. General VK Singh said Hal's aircraft fall apart on runway only. How do you see this? That was said, I think, in the context of MMRCA 2.0, 1.0. And to be honest, to a certain extent, Hal's record is not the best when it comes to fixed wing division. So मेराज का एक्सीडेंट क्रैश हमने देखा है. सुखोई में हमने बहुत ज्यादा improper काम देखा है. तो we can say that हाल का quality control is not the best. Any views on scientists accused of small cases and their death coming out few months ago continuously from South? I find it a plot to do something. तो उसके लिए बहुत कुछ है. New indigenous policy can compete with global standard. See, Rohan, to compete with global standards, you have to work for years and decades. You cannot just say that नई policy आ गई है, so we are now global players. उसके लिए you will have to wait a long time. You will have to see the products Indian firms develop. उसके बाद you will have to wait and see how people work and how the governments work. Policies काफी अच्छी हैं, but execution किस level का होता है, that depends. So we will have to wait and see कि कितना execute होता है. Something about P-75I submarine. I'm not a big fan of that project when we talk about P-75I. उसका reason that I'll give you is that P-75I submarine project is very expensive. Expensive in the sense for six diesel electric submarines, we are going to pay a lot of money, and each submarine will cost more than $1 billion. We have to take in account the manufacturing and all too, but that aside, I'm not a big fan of that. I feel that instead of going for P-75I, we can go for a follow-up of Scorpion submarines. Yeah, we can go for licensed manufacturing of a Kilo class submarine within India. Russians are willing to give a lot of good offers to on submarine manufacturing, so we should try to negotiate our best. See, you can have 10 F-22s. They are the best. You can say they are the best fighters in the world. But if you're fighting 100 jets, then the 10 F-22 will sooner or later face some losses. And each F-22 cost a lot more than that. So ऐसा होता है कि you also need to have numbers. You cannot just depend on the quality. Number is also a quality. If your numbers are low, then you are in some trouble. So I feel that instead of going for six P-75I, we can go for 12 or 18 different submarines, and that will be a better solution. But that's just my opinion. Thank you, Captain Yadav. How India plans to fill the deficiency of squadrons in coming year? It is a long-term plan. See, you have to go for MK1A, you have to go for MK2, you have to go for the Rafale या फिर जो भी आने वाले हैं. उसके बाद you have to see what MMRC 2.0 does to you. There is a plan of the 21 MiG-29s. There is a plan of 12 more Sukhois. So ये सब चीजें मिला के it will not. We cannot say that it will fill the deficiency because we will also eliminate some of the aircraft we are currently using. मतलब उनका भी हम करेंगे कि उन्हें हम हटा देंगे सर्विस से. So it will keep the numbers same. But if you plan to increase the numbers, you have to give bigger orders. मतलब आप तेजस MK1 जो है, until MK1 is ready, keep ordering MK1. मतलब इतने ऑर्डर कर लो कि बाद में फ्यूचर में you can upgrade them to the MK1A avionics level. That is one way. Keep the lines active. Second way is that you will have to bring some aircraft back from reserve into service. That is also one possible way, but that is not the best way because ऐसा होता ना कि when you bring an old aircraft into service, you have to spend a lot of money on it. Secondly, you have to train the pilots on it because सब pilots को उसकी आदत नहीं होगी and वो infest setup करना पड़ता. तो I'm not a big fan of that method. Even by 2035, we will not reach the goal of 42 squadrons. मतलब India has never had 42 squadrons before, but with the current speed and current order sizes, until we do a big deal, it is very difficult for us to reach the 42 squadrons level. E-suit on Rafale is the best in the world. Technically, in the 4.5 generation series, it is the best in the world. I saw flanker back come up like a portion behind the cockpit. It was open, but I saw flanker back come up. Oh, that is an air brake. You must have seen the air brake on the Su-30 MKI that opens behind the cockpit. So the use of it is it increases the drag, so it helps the aircraft reduce the speed. Why go for KA226 when LUH is soon going for production? See, even if we consider that LUH is going for production, the requirement is of 300 or 400 light utility helicopters. KA226 has the advantage of being a dual, what you can say, coaxial rotor प्लेटफॉर्म विद डुअल इंजन्स, सो उसका थोड़ा सेफ्टी एडवांटेज है. ऐसा नहीं है कि LUH इज अनसेफ, बट at this point I do not feel like we should go for 200k ka 226. That is, um, I don't feel that it is going to be a good deal. I personally feel that now we should cancel the deal and just go for 50s or 50 of K 226, and rest all three 250 or something can be LUH, or 350 can be LUH. What is the role of P8I aircraft in Ladakh and Northeast? Okay, P8I is basically a submarine hunter, but it has certain advantages. It is also capable of doing some sort of intelligence operations. So P8I can be used for intelligence. I cannot say it in detail, but I'll just say that P8I is a kind of used for intelligence operations. उसकी हेल्प से आप reconnaissance और intelligence कर पाते हो. अभी कार 816 आने वाली थी. हाउ इज दैट? बाय शर्मा. ओके शर्मा, द कार 816 is a good platform. It is a good carbine. It is a good system. So बाकी सब we will have to see when it is signed and when everything is done. But it is a good platform. Third aircraft carrier on table. It has been on table for like a long time now, but we do not have the sufficient funds. So Navy will have to think what it wants first, whether it wants an aircraft carrier, whether it wants submarine. And Navy has a lot of things they want, but they do not have the budget to get all the things they require, right? How lethal is PL-15? Okay, PL-15 is a Chinese beyond visual, very long range BVR missile. So the thing is, I do not trust the Chinese. I do not trust the figures they give. PL-15 का जो propulsion system है, that is old propulsion. So even if it has a maximum range of 200, 300 kilometers, what Chinese say, whatever they use to, I do not believe it is that effective. I will only compare it with maybe MRAM C4 or C5 at max. I'm not going to say that it is a very good missile because we are not sure about it. When will LCH get an ATGM? LCH can be integrated with the Dhruvastra. I think in 1 or 2 years you will see it armed with the ATGM. It can still be armed, but people are reluctant, a bit reluctant. So we'll have to see. How to upgrade squadron leaders and Navy and Army to get ready for next generation equipment. It is a part of training, Shubh. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time and training. It is something they have to plan for a long time. Can I start a startup on making a jet engine? Okay, once you can surely try that, and I will always support you if you are going to do that. It is a very good thing if someone is planning to spend money or go into startups of engine and all. But I'll also tell you it is very expensive. Matlab, it is expensive to the. It is more difficult than designing a jet to design an engine. Jet engine development takes $2 billion or more, and 20 to 30 years. So if you do not have the expertise, or if you do not have that level of funding, then it is not a very smart thing to go into, because only five nations in the world can make a jet engine. If China has spent $30 billion and still they do not have any solution for their issues, then making it is not a very easy thing. I'm not saying you cannot. I will be more than happy if more people try to do that. But it is one form of economical suicide if you do not have that level of expertise in that field. Is there any hope for Indian Army Cyber Command? Yes, there is. We cannot discuss it in a long way. Why was South Korea KAF fifth generation aircraft wasn't used? Okay, Anurag, the South Korean program is not a fifth generation. The first, they are saying that they will fly the first jet in 4 years. It is all good, but these jets will not be the fifth generation aircraft. They will be the 4.5 generation low observable aircraft. So मतलब इसका मतलब ये है कि they will not have internal weapon storage and they will not have many fifth generation features. The actual KF जो आने वाला है, जो fifth generation होगा, that will not come before 2030s. So that is one thing you need to know. Jai Hind, Anand. Raven drone के बारे में क्या कहना है? That will not happen. We have other systems. Tata has one, L&T has one. There are many. अभी एक CSIL के पास भी अपना drone है that can easily compete with Raven. So I don't think that deal is going to happen. A10 with versus Su-25. I have done a post on A10 and Su-25. You can go and check it. I personally prefer the Su-25 or 34 more than A10 because of certain reasons. Tejas Mk2 is going to be commissioned by 2028 or 29. I do not see it before that. ये तो मेरा वाला क्वेश्चन है. श्रेयस ने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा था भाई? I'll have to check. Okay. What the advantage against China? What is our advantage? We do not have advantage against China or two front war. See, war में there is tactical advantage. I'll agree to it. We can be better prepared in to defend. That is one advantage we have. But the issue is that a two front war is dangerous for anyone. If you're fighting two sides, then you have to divide your strength. You have to focus on multiple areas. How we can deal with China? उसके बहुत तरीके हैं. It is not very difficult. It is not very easy. I will not say it is easy, but I cannot say a lot of things. Tactical भी होती हैं, personal भी हैं, और I do not feel that those should be discussed on public forums. We could have made Tejas capable of Meteor. It would have been much more powerful. Why didn't we? First of all, see, Tejas currently holds a Israeli radar. They refused to integrate Meteor with Israeli systems. They wanted Tejas Mk1 to have European systems so that it can be integrated. We went for the Israeli system. Secondly, it is not useful to integrate a Meteor with a Tejas Mk1A because Tejas Mk1A, being a light fighter, does not have the radar that is so powerful that it will be able to guide Meteor for the entire flight envelope. मतलब theoretically, you can say Meteor has a range of 250 kilometers. Let's say, suppose theoretically, Meteor has a range of 250 kilometers. So technically, you should say that Meteor can shoot down a jet aircraft at 250 kilometers. मतलब basically a transport aircraft which is not maneuverable. Now Tejas cannot look beyond 160 kilometers with the current radar system. So अगर Tejas 160 किलो, these are estimates. These are not the actual numbers. I'll just say that. So अगर तेजस 160 किलोमीटर के बाद देख ही नहीं सकता है, so how is it going to guide the Meteor missile to 210, 20, 30 kilometers? It cannot. So what is the advantage of integrating a very expensive missile system on a very cheap fighter? I call it a cheap fighter because the cost is less compared to an imported system. So आप एक साइड से एक फाइटर को सस्ता बनाना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप एक साइड में उसमें एक इतनी महंगी मिसाइल डाल दोगे जिसकी कॉस्ट एक ऑर्डिनरी मिसाइल की 5 या 10 गुना है. सो इट इज नॉट अ गुड वे टू स्पेंड मनी. Why can't we just copy engines of our own best fighter jets? It is okay. So copying jet engine is not easy. See, copying jet engine requires a lot of research. If copying an engine was so easy, China would have done it, and China has tried to do it. China has tried to copy the Russian fighters for a long time now, 20, 30 years. They have tried to copy the engines from other countries as well. The most difficult part of manufacturing engine is the metallurgy, and you need a metallurgical expertise in that field. You cannot just go and say that I'll copy a engine and just make it out of ordinary steel or anything. Engine needs special alloy materials, and it needs a lot of work, a lot of good manufacturing, lot of research. So you cannot copy the engine essay. Your views on arming Heron drones. That was a logical step to arm a Heron drone. See, it was, we have those drones in hundreds. They were the unarmed version. So we were also getting Heron TP, but वो numbers कम थे, वो अलग बात है. जब हमारे पास इतने drones हैं जो recon करते हैं, we have operated them for the years. Why did we not arm them? I have been pushing for arming these drones for a long time now. पहले प्लान था कि कुछ ड्रोन्स को हम आर्म करेंगे. नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्मिंग द एंटायर फ्लीट. दैट इज वन लॉजिकल स्टेप वन मस्ट डू. एनी आइडिया ऑफ ऑर्का? गुड वन. See, Orca is not a aircraft. At the moment, it is TDBF. Orca was supposed to be the what you call Air Force version of it, and Air Force is not interested in that as of now. So there is no Orca. Why did we go for Karate? These are the few questions that makes no sense because you know whenever you see the small arm procurement, you will be confused at all times. You will never understand why we did this or why we did that. I'm happy we are having something at least now. How do you see stand up between Taiwan and China? See, China will try to take Taiwan at all cost, like it or not. They have to integrate it, and Taiwan will try to defend it from Chinese at all cost. But the issue is, being a democracy is something that backfires on democratic countries. So that is one issue. If you're democratic, you have to allow a lot of things, even if your enemies have a voice in a democracy, and that is not a good thing for anything. What's the use of muzzle brake? See, muzzle brake can be used for multiple things, from reducing the signature, the flash signature, to reducing the recoil. They do a variety of things. How they are designed is a different thing, and how they work is something. I'll have to do a post on it on how they work. But basically, they work for reducing the signature, be it sound, be it the flash, be it the recoil. This is how they work. Himalayan frontiers have given us edge over China. Your knowledge, is there any aircraft which really has stealth technology just not claimed, but it's proved stealth aircraft? See, Aman, it is not easy to matlab, be a stealthy aircraft. Stealth has multiple factors associated. Matlab, to get stealth, you have to do a lot of things. And even if you miss one thing, your stealth is basically compromised. So, stealth is made up of geometry, material, configuration, direction, and many factors. And even your systems. So, stealth का बहुत characteristics होता है. Stealth ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपने एक shape दे दिया या आपने एक design बना दिया and it becomes stealthy. It is a lot of hard work. Even to maintain stealth, it is a very much work. So, ऐसा कोई एयरक्राफ्ट जो स्टेल्दी है बट हमने उसे स्टेल्थ क्लेम नहीं किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. आपके कुछ एयरक्राफ्ट होते हैं दैट यूज सम टेक्नोलॉजी टू रिड्यूस द सिग्नेचर. दैट श्योरली हैपेंस. राफेल भी अपने आप में एक टाइप में अपना आरसीएस कम करने की कोशिश करता है, बट दीज आर आइडियल सिचुएशंस जो हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं कि इस सिचुएशन में इसका आरसीएस 0.1 मीटर स्क्वायर है. दैट डज नॉट हैपन व्हेन यू फ्लाई. When you fly, you have weapons load, you have other things you have to take into account, various enemy radar positions, बहुत कुछ factors होते हैं. B2 Spirit, a $2 trillion thing. I am not a big fan of such expensive projects. Why our manufacturing sectors have not given importance to reverse engineering? Okay, the answer to this question is reverse engineering is not easy. You can face global sanctions and you can be dragged into international courts. China is not eligible for 400 kilometers missile range. I am pretty sure China will work some way out to develop a 400-kilometer missile, and some Russians will be involved. It is their own thing. How can India counter Chinese long-range bombers aircraft? If you need to, Surya, I have done a dedicated example of how you can counter the Chinese Air Force. अब उसके बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. I cannot name all, but I believe that we should have a stronger aviar denial capability. अब उसके अलग-अलग methods होते हैं. I cannot just say what, but just know that it is better to have aviar denial over aviar domination. Aviar denial is cost effective if done properly. Are drones invisible to radars? Nothing is invisible to radar. Matlab, if it flies and if it is made of a man-made material, the chances are it will be detected. It depends on which radar it is invisible to and which radar it is not invisible to. उसके क्या फ्लाइट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं एंड क्या सिस्टम्स हैं. Chen, J-20 radar range is 1,000 kilometers. Chinese can claim J-20 radar range as 1,500 kilometers too, but ऐसा होता नहीं है. Demo aircraft showed in different actual aircraft. See, demonstration aircraft जो ज़्यादातर दिखाते हैं, if you're talking about the ones which do the flight shows, etc. At times, some aircraft manufacturers make them stronger because they are specifically made to do demonstrations. They are not even doing the weapon load system and all. But ऐसा कोई होता नहीं है. Like Russians use the same aircraft they use in the armed forces for air shows as well. वो वही aircraft can go to defend you. So ऐसा necessary नहीं है कि demo aircraft अलग होता है actual से. Do India need light tanks? Yes. India needed light tanks since 1990s. We developed our light tank, but the army said that light tank is not required because we can work with T-72. So we cancelled the light tank project. Now the army is saying that they need a light tank because Chinese have a light tank. IR detection better than radar. IR detection has certain advantages. It is a passive form of detection, so enemy will not know if it is detected. But IR detection is not the best way to guide a missile, right? You have some restrictions. A radar can look towards 100, 200 kilometers. IR detection sensors can look a few kilometers, weather dependent, situation dependent, a lot of factors. Is J-20 better than Rafale? I don't believe so. Vansh, can you give the full form of DIRCM? So we have the best aircraft in the continent. We surely have the best aircraft in the continent for now, but the thing is, Chinese have their own system. We do not. We have imported the system. So even if you say we have the best aircraft for now, how long? What do you think about mini drones for small ops, just like video games? Drones have a lot of issues. मतलब, in a heavily defended electronic environment, the drones are not very effective. Plus, there are 15-20 systems which are counter drone systems. If you are able to integrate artificial intelligence into drones, that is very good. But if you're not able to, then your drone might not work. Directed energy weapons are not nothing new. They have been used in the past. Earlier, it was sound systems, laser systems, and all. But today's laser are hard kill type systems. So it is a bit different from older energy weapons. Direct infrared countermeasures. DIRCM. Okay, that how good are DIRCM? DIRCM is basically these are basically laser dazzlers. So what they do is they blind the missile or the system which is incoming, and the enemy seeker is not able to detect it in the aircraft. How do they work? How do they work? See, different kind of energy weapons have different modes of working. Earlier there was a sound-based system which was called MRAD. It used to create a sound and focus it towards a specific target, so they lost all the senses. Then there was laser systems. उनका काम कुछ नहीं था. They used to just dazzle with your mind. I have done a dedicated post in my feed where you can see the Indian energy weapons. If AMCA is in service, comes in service, it is 10 years away for now. AMCA is not coming anytime soon. So we can check stealth cap. It is not easy to measure the stealth. First of all, you are not allowed to tamper with someone else's aircraft. That is one thing. Secondly, for the measurement of stealth and all the characteristics, you have to do a lot of testing. मतलब, it is done in chambers and all. There are special facilities for measurement of stealth. तो इतना आसान नहीं होता कि आप ओपन में जाके किसी का स्टेल्थ नाप दो. That is not how it's done. Anurag, I will do an entire post on energy weapon systems. So abhi ke liye we have done 45 minutes, and I also have to upload this on YouTube. I have to start my channel back up because I was not doing a lot of work on YouTube channel. So I'll put this on. Hello, Flying Monk, sir, bhai. Yes, yeah, congratulations on the STT 106 coming. Now the PC7 will not come. I think it will take 1.5 years before we sign actual contract, but still it is a big deal. Uh, we have the STT 40 nearly secured. Let's hope the certification is done soon. So abhi ke liye we will just not take more questions and we will just answer the remaining questions. उससे advantage ये होगा कि I'll be able to upload the entire thing in one go. Let's see. Will India go for F-35 if they are given offer? I don't think so. We do not have the infra, and uh, the thing is F-35 के साथ बहुत सारे terms and conditions भी आएंगे जो इंडिया के लिए अच्छे नहीं होंगे. Once, yes, I'm an engineer, but when can we expect Agni 6? There is no such project in the public domain that is Agni 6, but secretly we can be working on it. Okay, if everything is visible for radar, why is B2 split? Okay, detecting a blip on radar is a different thing, and triangulating a lock on the radar is a different thing. Uh, Stealth aircraft are not invisible to radar. They are detected much later compared to the current fighters. So ये होता है advantage stealth का. If a F-16 is detected at 200 kilometers, a F-22 will be detected at 40-50 kilometers. That is stealth. Hope it will have better engine than PT-32. Last experience was not that good. I agree. I'm pretty sure they have worked that out. The STT-32 Deepak was not the best aircraft. The safety record was not good. But I think the Air Force is going to test it a lot before they induct. So I'm pretty hopeful that it will be a good aircraft too. And I have seen a Deepak. Matlab, we have a Deepak on a memorial here, right? So I love that aircraft, but yes, it had its flaws. So I'm also very hopeful. From where did you do engineering? My engineering college is a small one. It is not a very big reputed college. So that is, matlab, people know it, but people will not. You will not call it a benchmark. From where I did engineering is a different thing. I was I could have done engineering from UPSC. I was selected for the college. I did all the things, but in the final moment, due to some reasons, I did not go. That was a personal decision based on future. Marcos or probation be PEVASF जैसा रहता है. There are certain differences, but the training and probations are the ruling are normally very similar. Okay, was there an incident in Bangalore? I really didn't understand what actually happened. I cannot see the news. You will understand. I cannot discuss it right here. It is not a good thing to discuss in public forums like this. ऐसे वॉलंटियर करने की मैक्सिमम एज लिमिट क्या है? ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं होता है, एज आई नो, बट 30 years is considered the maximum for you to go into probation. Comparison of Kolkata Vizag top-notch destroyers. Kolkata Vizag are very good destroyers. They can do a lot of things. Vizag or Vishakhapatnam class is a new class of destroyer which is under construction at the moment. They are very powerful, but the sensors are on par with any top class destroyer in the world. The issue I feel with our navy ships is that they are not armed adequately. They carry very limited missile loads. The navy has planned it that way, but I feel that they should carry more missiles because Chinese destroyers Type 54, Type 55, and all these carry hundreds of missiles, while ours carry 36, 38. These are not suitable numbers. War coming? Hopefully not. I hope there is no war which is coming. Why go for Ka226? I think I have answered this question. Raj is asking, what do you think of Rolls-Royce participation for building engine for AMC AMWF? Okay, so the idea is anyone who is going to give us IP rights and anyone who is going to give us a better deal can be a partner, but we need to ensure that we need to select our partners well. Indigenous transport aircraft. At the moment, the indigenous transport aircraft is Savis and अभी MK2 का आने वाला है. So that is one thing. We also manufacture Dornier 228 under license production. Tata can manufacture C295. उनका joint venture है and they just have to sign the order. It will also be considered indigenous because Tata is manufacturing it. So that is one more thing. The Halka news I have discussed. Views on HAL IGT, will it get orders after STT40 and MK1A? HAL IGT is undergoing some test at the moment. So if it clears all the tests and if it satisfies the Air Force requirement, then I'm pretty sure it will get orders. ATEX को high altitude में deploy क्यों नहीं किया जा रहा है? ATEX made a world record of more than 40 kilometers. Okay, ATEX is 155 into 52 slash 52 caliber gun. So it is a very heavy gun, first of all. Moving it to the high altitude is not very easy, first. Secondly, deployments are done as per conditions and things. Abhi I think we do not even have ATEX in the suitable numbers. कोई बड़ा order sign up नहीं हुआ है, so we have to wait for that. In future, maybe they will deploy it one way or another, but I don't find with that weight it is suitable for high altitude operations. Although it can be deployed at some places. Uh, Warhawk versus Su-25. I have done a comparison, but I prefer a Su-25 over A-10. What's a muzzle brake? A muzzle brake is a add-on which is added to the front or muzzle of the rifle or any rifle. So उसके अलग-अलग advantages होते हैं. Some they are used to reduce the signature basically. उससे recoil भी कम होता है. उससे basically if you talk about muzzle flash, उससे muzzle flash भी कम होता है. So that is the use of muzzle brake. How is my experience for COVID situation so far? I try to be safe as much as possible. Things are not good in my state. Things are better than other states maybe, but I do not feel it is safe at the moment. So I'm not going outside. I'm not doing anything which is stupid. I'm not trying to eat from outside. ये सब चीजें we can easily avoid, but the thing is we are so used to eating outside, we are so used to partying outside and doing so reckless things that we take things for granted. Do not take COVID so easily. So if you take COVID so easily, the things will go bad for you. And safety of your family should be the first thing. So I think that everyone should consider before going out unnecessarily. Go out only if you have some urgent work. Wear proper suitable protection. Wear the mask, even wear the glove, sanitize your hand, wash your face, everything. If you come back home, take a bath, then only go meet your family. And if you have kids or if you are old, then specially pay some certain extra attention towards your family, please, because you cannot risk. I know more than 5 to 10 followers of my page are infected or were infected. Many of them have recovered now, but do not take it as a normal fever thing. It is not. It has killed over, I think, 1 lakh plus people in US alone. So it is not something you should take so casually. Secondly, the idea that medicine is coming up to sab theek ho jayega, things are not going to happen that way. Medicine is not coming anytime soon. It will take 6 months. Even if the medicine is signed today, it will take 6 months to an year. I do not expect any medication, if at all a medication comes. So do not take risk and please be safe. So I think I've answered all the questions. I'll also upload this live session on my YouTube channel. If anyone wants, I'll just post a link. You can follow me. I'll upload from now. I'll upload all the live sessions on YouTube. This way, we will also have a more better reach. Secondly, this way, I'll not just have to rely on Insta account because in the past my account was hacked and it was immediately deleted. I lost all my data, so I do not want to lose all the information. I will just simply upload this on YouTube as well. Thank you for joining with the live session. I hope you all have a good day. I was not regular with my live sessions because of certain issues, but I'll try to be as regular as possible. And my thoughts on Gunjan Saxena movie Money, I have already conveyed in starting of this live session. You can just go back and watch it. So Jai Hind, doctors, what question did you ask? You can ask. Oh, my opinion on U.S.-China situation. Uh, I do not expect a war between US China. It is easier said than done. Wars are not so simple. They are not small nations, they are very big nations. I expect diplomatic wars that can happen, but a straight one-on-one confrontation with people attacking each other is a bit out of the question for now. So that is my thought about the US-China situation. So, okay, guys, let's do a live session soon again. And thank you, Jai Hind.